also has the shit. Why you wanna play and hate on me? Ooh, wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful, lovely day so far. My name is Mandy. How y'all doing? Today's video, we're going to be unboxing an Eloquii Unlimited box. If you have never heard of Eloquii Unlimited, it is a plus size clothing subscription box with a once a month flat fee. I actually posted a very in-depth Eloquii Unlimited unboxing last year here on my channel, so if you are interested in that, I will leave a link to it right up here somewhere. But in that video, I went into a whole lot more depth. So for time's sake today, I will include all the information, price points, descriptions, everything you need to know, as well as links in the description box below. And really quickly, I just want to let y'all know as a full disclosure moment that I did pay for this box with my own money, with my own bank account. I genuinely enjoy this service. I really believe that it's a very inexpensive way to kind of keep things fresh in your wardrobe for work or for special occasions without constantly having to buy new things. Plus, you can cancel anytime you want, whenever you want to. So let's just jump right into it. If you like this type of content and would like to see more, please consider liking and subscribing. You know your girl would appreciate it. And without further delay, let's get into this Eloquii Unlimited unboxing right now. All right, y'all, so this is what the Eloquii Unlimited box looks like. I can't even remember what I ordered in this box. It's been sitting in this room for, I wanna say like 3 or 4 weeks now. And I have my trusty mustache slicer right here. So we're just gonna open her up together. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, that all the boxes look and open up differently, but this one actually opens up kind of long ways, which is interesting. Come on now. So this is what it looks like. And then, let's open her up. Oh, this is really pretty. Ooh, wow. Look at this fabric. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is gorgeous. I am pleasantly surprised. The fabric of this dress is absolutely breathtaking. It almost feels like a thick, like a taffeta or something. I don't even know. I'm just completely speechless. So it has this very light baby blue fabric that has a little bit of like an embroidery or almost like it's got a texture to it. And then it has these interesting sheer panels throughout. So it's little panels that you can see through. And then of course it has this absolutely blinding metallic like leaves or flowers. It almost looks like fleur-de-lis as well. And I am so interested in this. I think this is the prettiest fabric that I've ever seen. I don't know how it looks on, so this is going to be sight unseen, but I'm definitely going to be trying it on as you see right now. And I just cannot get over the style and the absolute beauty of this fabric. So pretty. So when I'm looking at it right now, I see that it has a tie right here at the neck. Very cute. It also has these very big kind of puff sleeve details. So this is what the sleeve looks like. And it goes down into a nice elastic right there at the wrist. And it's quite a short dress. I'm not really sure why I picked up a short dress because I'm not really into mini dresses that much. I mean, because I don't like to show my legs off that much, but it's very interesting. So it has these huge ruffles right there at the bottom. And then this is what the back of it looks like. Could you imagine having like a duster made of this fabric? That would be unbelievable. So a lot of y'all might be wondering what the material is of this dress. So I'm gonna let y'all know right now. So the material is made of 55% polyester, 25% nylon, 20% metallic fibers. So that attributes to the really pretty silver fabric. And then it has a 100% polyester lining. So yeah, this is the first dress. I am very interested to see what it looks like on. And now on to the next one. Oh my goodness, y'all. I completely forgot that I ordered this next one. I am so excited to show you. So I don't know what I was thinking. I have no idea where I'm gonna wear this, but nonetheless, it is a pair of like faux leather pants. This pink metallic. So this is the next item that I picked up from Eloquii Unlimited. And let me tell you, these suckers are, I don't even know. So this is the second item that I picked up from Eloquii Unlimited. As you can see, it is very, very blingy, wide leg pants. So this is what the bottom looks like. These are definitely wide leg. I wonder if these are like bell bottoms. Could these be metallic bell bottoms? Oh my goodness, y'all. These are so much fun. They actually look a little bit big, but I mean, I really won't know until I try these on. But how beautiful are these? I am really inspired when it comes to this color. Imagine like the makeup looks that you can do with these. Let me move this paper. You are too loud, sir. So to get these on and off, they do have a double clasp right here in the front, as well as a security button that always comes in really handy. And then it also has a zipper in the front as well. And it also does have functional front pockets. It does not have functional back pockets. And these are like the cutest pants that I think I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this. Is it something that you would wear? Is it something that you would absolutely run away from? I would really like to know. Hot pink metallic pants. Is it in your wardrobe? If not, why? All right, y'all, so now we are on to the third item that I picked up from the Eloquii Unlimited subscription box, and it is a sweater dress. And when I tell you, this is not your average ordinary sweater dress, oh no ma'am. This sucker is heavy, and I honestly don't know how long I could hold this up without my arm being tired, because this has to be like the thickest sweater material that I have ever held in my hands. This might be very, very warm, especially if you're a southern girl like me. I don't know if I could handle it, honestly. So I picked this up in a size 18 to 20, and the material is very, very well made. It is beautiful quality. However, it is so thick, I just would burn up in like a matter of seconds in this one. But the details are unbelievably beautiful. So I don't even know if you can see the details online because the material is so inky black. But it has this braided detail that goes all the way around the collar, and it just adds such an amazing, very classy detail. It almost looks like a necklace that's built into it. It is absolutely stunning. It's stunning, y'all. And it also has shoulder pads, which I don't know how I feel about the shoulder pads. We'll find out here shortly, but this is a long sleeve dress that is ribbed. So it is made of a ribbed material that is a midi length. So this is a quite long dress. Depending on your height will probably denote where this falls on you. So I'm 5'10", so this will probably fall about mid calf for me. If you're a little bit shorter, it might fall a little bit longer. But nonetheless, this is an absolute beauty of a dress. And when you turn it around, this is what the backside looks like. So it's quite simple. Doesn't have a whole lot of bells and whistles besides the big braided detail around the neck and the collar. But this is such a gorgeous dress. It's quite a staple piece. So this would look absolutely beautiful at the office. If you have a cold office, then this one will probably be for you. If you have a hot office, definitely steer clear from this. So yeah, the material is just exquisite. I cannot get over it. Let me tell you what the material is made of. So if I had to guess, I would say it's made of 100% acrylic. No, actually I am wrong. So it's made of 54% acrylic, 31% polyester, and 15% nylon. So nylon and polyester can be quite like warm and hold the heat in, as well as acrylic. If you're looking for something that's gonna keep you warm, acrylic is definitely gonna do the job. It's definitely up for it. So yeah, this is the third item. We'll see how I like it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like it. And now on to the next one. All right, y'all, so now we are on to the fourth and final item that I picked up from the Eloquii Unlimited subscription box. And the fourth item that I wanted to share with y'all is a pair of slacks, and these are definitely perfect for the office. They're very similar in style and like cut to the metallic pants that I just showed you a couple of minutes ago. Are those work appropriate? I guess it depends on what kind of line of work you're into, but this is what the fourth pair of pants look like, and these are really, really cute. So they are like this beautiful heather gray color with a black, very, very simple black check. I picked these up in a size 20. Don't know how they fit. You'll know in just a second. These do have functional pockets in the front and no functional pockets in the back. and they have the double loop design, the double belt loop design that goes all the way around it. It also comes with a belt, so you can use this belt if you wanted to tie it around your waist with a little like a little bow or something to add a little something or you can add your own belt if you wanted to. Another design element that I wanted to share with y'all that is absolutely identical to the pink metallic pants is the closure of these pants. So these actually have the double metallic closure right here in the front, as well as the security button and the zip closure. Pretty much the style is spot on. It's got the elastic in the back. It's like a trouser. It also has the wide leg that almost looks completely identical in width to the metallic pants as well. And yeah, I would have to say that whichever manufacturer made the pink metallic pants probably made these as well, just use a different material. And nonetheless, these are very, very cute. I think with the right shirt or the right jacket, this would look amazing, particularly with a really cute pair of shoes. Really and truly, I would say the only design difference between these and the pink metallic pants is the belt, so and the fabric choice. So thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of y'all. Please stay safe and stay healthy, and I'll be seeing y'all very, very soon. Bye.